Hey guys, Kuzomari here, back with another video, and in this video today, we're going to be drawing GON. GON, the real-time GON. Maybe I should draw this a little bigger. I don't know. GON has actually been recommended by several people, including from my other channel as well. Make sure this is focused in. And yeah, when I'm done with the full page, I definitely will, a lot of some people have been saying this too, I will be showing the full page for sure. But yeah, not much has gone on today. Since, just let you guys know, like I think I said this in the previous video, but essentially, these videos are done a day ahead. So when you're watching the new video, I have already recorded the other video for the most part. Although this one's being recorded after I've already uploaded the other one, so. The previous day. As for Hunter x Hunter, I have not actually watched Hunter x Hunter. The dub just recently came out in on Netflix, which is super cool, which I'll probably watch that. Yes, I'm a dub guy. No matter what you guys say, I like dub because I'm just not very fast at reading, to be completely honest. And it's more real. I mean, if I watched a few episodes of dub, I end up doing just fine. Like, I get used to it again. But I typically like to relax when I'm watching my anime, and I don't really want to read when I'm watching my anime. But maybe that's just me being a little picky. Oh, bumped the camera. Sorry, guys. And here, I thought I was doing better with my production for this channel. Even though this is supposed to be a raw content channel, I still want videos to be, good. Also, there's quite a few people, try not to blow in this microphone, it's so close to my face, the camera, the phone. Basically, there's also a lot of people that ask me, like, what camera system do I use, how do I record my videos, and truth be told, guys, I use my phone, man. I use my phone. I have a Galaxy Note 8, not even like the newest Note, but it is a really good Note, really good phone. But Galaxy Note, because I'm an artist, I want to have a drawing phone, or else I would just have an iPhone probably, just because it's so intuitive with the Mac. I'm actually more of a PC guy and more of a, normal computer guy, but I don't know. I got a Mac for a specific reason a while ago, and I realized from all the fuss between Mac and PC, there's really not that big of a problem. I mean, they're just computers. You draw, like if you're an artist, it's like, okay, I draw on them. Unless you're like deep into like the technology of it and liking to do like specific gaming stuff, that's a little different. But yeah, I'm not really super into that. So I'm just pretty standard with my computer. I just want to be able to draw on it. Want to be able to, edit files, and I'm good. Other than that, what else do I need it for? I ended up getting it for a specific reason, like I said, and I regret it because of how much it cost, but at the same time, it works flawlessly with my iPad. Like, the airdrop is actually ridiculous. Okay, this is turning into a computer talk. but yeah, basically, I use my phone to edit my videos. All my videos, I record them with my phone. I edit them with my phone with an app called KeenMaster. I pay a monthly subscription to that app because if you look at my earlier videos, it said made with KeenMaster, and I did it with their watermark for a long time because I wasn't paying for the service. I wasn't paying the service fee. Oh, sorry guys. Because I didn't really want to pay for that, but there was a point where I was like, oh, you know what? I can pay for it now. I got a little bit of money. It was only like $5 or $9 a month, and so I went for it because I was uploading YouTube videos regularly, and I knew it would benefit, and it did. So, and it's the best video editing app on my phone that I can find, and I really like it. But yeah, I do everything with my phone. I even upload the videos. I don't do the thumbnails with my phone. I do the thumbnails with either my computer or my iPad. I could do them with my phone if I wanted to, but since I have those things, might as well just do it with those. But yeah. And if you're wondering how I get like the lighting, I do specific effects to get the lighting right. As an artist, I understand what overlays do, digital overlays. And what I did was I created a digital overlay as a PNG of a specific color, and then I put it into the whole video and lay it over the video in order to give a good illusion of lighting. The fun stuff. But yeah, I don't have any like crazy setup or anything. Like I literally have my phone on a claw that has broken so many times that I've super glued it. I'm just a guy that draws for you guys. I just draw and post it on the internet. But yeah. I don't know much about GON, but I saw him with fire on his hands in one of the illustrations, so I'm putting fire over here. I think that's correct. I don't know. This is another series that I want to watch, and I know, guys, I haven't watched One Punch Man. Not One Punch Man, but I've watched One Punch Man. I haven't watched episode 3 yet, or episode 4. I think episode 4 is out. I haven't watched it yet. I know, calm down. I'll get to it. I might even watch it after this. Might. No, I'll probably watch it while I'm eating dinner. I'm gonna cook some food after this. I got a new sketchbook that I talked about that I might actually use for the purpose of my next video on my other channel. Or one of my next videos. Maybe it will be my next video. Who knows? Oh yeah, I got some videos I need to do. There's some that I'm thinking about that I need to figure out how exactly I want to go about it. Let's see. Sorry, I got a notification on my phone. I gotta look at it. Sorry, I got really quiet. It does that sometimes. When I say it, I mean me. I do that sometimes in these videos. And when I say sometimes, I mean all the time. In every video, there's a point where I get quiet because I start really thinking about what I'm doing. And I'm like, oh shoot, how do I do this? What am I going to do here? Is this looking good? How about that? I do read all your guys' comments on here, so thank you everyone for commenting. Also remember to like the video. Like it, hit that. But yeah. Bam! Get that line. You know what I'm saying? That line where it's like, happy little mistake. No. Bob Ross. Be like the Mr. T version of Bob Ross. Happy little mistake. What have my videos become, guys? What have my videos become? Ready for one of the most satisfying parts of doing this? Alright. Bazam! Oh, I haven't done the satisfying part yet. This is the satisfying part. Bam! Alright. Trying to make sure I get these right. Oh, also, I know a lot of you have asked for me, not a lot, I think like 2 people have asked for me to do some original artwork, which I do want to do. So keep a lookout for that. I'm going to definitely do that. I just gotta, there's a way to do original work on here while still keeping it relevant on YouTube. You just gotta know how to tag it right and stuff like that. And I've been working on that because I wanna do more some more original content, stuff like that. Also, all the sketches we did last week will be making an appearance on the main channel. Link in description if you don't know about my main channel. I just did the Edward Elric redesign. Fun stuff, fun stuff. Oh, this one we might actually hit the time mark. 15 minutes instead of like these 20-minute videos I've been doing. You guys are probably like, what the? 20 minutes? What do you think I have? A whole day to watch your videos, Kuzo? And I'm like, I don't know, man. Why did I just sound like Shaggy? Why did I just sound like Shaggy? What the heck? I don't understand either. Don't ask me. Don't at me, alright? Hadouken. I better not get copyrighted for saying it like that. That'd be ridiculous. Hope all you guys are having a good day though. So, alright, so yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be, pretty much all for today. But yeah, I'd like to take this time to thank my patrons, because they're the best pencil shinobis there are. And if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to this channel, like what you see, please subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when each video comes out. Like always, guys, hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.